Good evening, everyone. I wanted to stop by for a quick weather update and talk a little bit about the tropical hurricane cyclone heading our way for the weekend. So, first off, let's just start off with the weather right now. I don't have any maps or anything to pop up other than the one running on the screen, but let's just talk about this. Of course, you know who I am. I am your Kentucky weather wizard. And I do want to give you a little bit of a heads up. There is a good chance of some heavy rain, gusty winds, and some dense fog all this week. So just keep an eye out for that. For your Tuesday, gusty thunderstorms are going to be working across the area several times throughout the day. I think they're going to be at least two good solid rounds, one somewhere between 8 and 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, and then another round tomorrow afternoon around 4 p.m. or so. Can't guarantee on the timing right now, but that's what it's looking like. High around 80 tomorrow, and you've definitely got a really good chance, about an 80% chance of rain. For tomorrow night, showers and storms are still around 63 for the low. Altogether, you expect 3/4 of an inch, maybe a little bit more rainfall for the day tomorrow. And if you get under a thunderstorm, definitely could be more than that. So just keep that in mind. A lot of rain is possible tomorrow. Wednesday, same thing. Thunderstorms around, high near 75, around a 70% chance of rain. And again, a decent amount, anywhere from a half to 3/4 of an inch, unless you're under a thunderstorm. Wednesday night, still showers around, 62 degrees for the low. For your Thursday, cloudy, it's showers and thunderstorms still around, high 77. Chance of rain 60% on Thursday. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms still hanging around. So, there's a lot of it out there. Thursday night low, a little bit warmer, I think around 65, because we're getting some of that tropical moisture and it's warmer. And that brings us into Friday and Saturday. Definitely a good possibility, as you can see from the animation here on the screen, that we'll get, and for some reason it has stuck now, that we will get a decent amount of rainfall out of the tropical system coming in for next week. Let me switch to a different run here, or coming in at the end of this week, not next week. And that tropical system right now is called Tropical Cyclone Number 9. They haven't named it yet. I forget what the name will be when it does work its way through, but it does look to give us quite a bit of rain. So let me run this through here pretty quick and show you what I'm talking about. This is midnight or so, give or take a little bit, and you can see definitely precipitation coming through. As the morning wears on tomorrow, you'll see those waves of precipitation roll in. Another low will develop down here and work its way toward us. That does put us in the level 2 out of 5 risk for some stronger storms. Gusty winds is a possibility. Maybe even some larger hail, but it's not really likely. There's not a big chance for hail. And the gusty winds, there's only a 15% chance, but it's an elevated chance. Now you can start to see forming here is this hurricane. Folks, this has been on the models and hinting at from the models for 2 weeks now. That's telling us that, yeah, there's probably going to be one. And it looks as though it's going to make landfall somewhere right around in here in Florida. We can't tell for sure, but, that's what the models are telling us today. Yesterday, they were saying that the landfall was somewhere between here and here, Pensacola and Apalachicola, in this area. So today the models are zeroing in on this area right here. We'll just see as time goes on where it makes landfall, but folks, this could be a life-threatening storm. It does look to super intensify as the day wears on Thursday. Okay, so let me go ahead and advance through here, and you can see that it's a really tightly wrapped hurricane, really powerful, and it does make landfall somewhere there in Florida, it seems, and progresses its way toward us. Now, something interesting is going to happen. At around that same time, we're going to have a strong low develop over in the Arklatex area. That low and the hurricane are going to interact, and you may end up seeing a rare effect called the Fujiwhara Effect, where two big, powerful lows orbit each other for a period of time before they combine into one large system. What does that mean for our weather for the weekend? Rain and storms right now. That's all I can tell you this far out. But, the model doesn't handle that very well in this form, and I don't have time to go into all the other stuff right now. But as you can see, well, as you can't see on that particular run, there's almost no rain there. But trust me, rain for the weekend, definitely a good possibility. And this system will move its way out. Looks like another system moves in late Sunday evening into Monday, providing us with some more rain. So definitely seeing a weather switch, a pattern switch from what it has been. I was really concerned about forest fires there a week or so ago. Now it's looking like that we're going to be covered, at least for a while, with a good amount of moisture. That will help to keep the wildfires down here in the eastern part of the state. All right, so that's all I've got for right now. Just a quick update on the weather, and I wanted to let you know about the tropical system heading in toward the weekend. I will try to make another update as time goes on and post it so you guys can see it. And if you don't mind, please give my video a thumbs up after you've watched it, and just take the time to subscribe if you haven't done that already. I would greatly appreciate it. And folks, always remember, Jesus loves you, and so do I. Have a good evening.